Hello, today we will discuss about the topic bipolar junction transistor BJT. The first point about the BJT is current controlled device. BJT is current controlled device. The output voltage, current or power are controlled by the input current in a transistor. Therefore, it is also called a current controlled device. The transistor was invented by two scientists named Dr. William Shockley and Dr. John Bardeen at Pale Laboratory in America in 1951. Transistor is a three-terminal device: emitter, base and collector. The operation of transistor is carried by two types of charge carriers: majority carriers and minority carriers. Transistors operate at a low voltage and have higher frequency. Why it is called transistor? Transistor transfer the input signal current from low resistance circuit to high resistance circuit. The function of the transistor is to transfer the input signal current from low resistance circuit to high resistance circuit. As we know, there are two types of transistor: NPN transistor and PNP transistor. NPN transistor and PNP transistor. This is the diagram for NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Transistor is a three-terminal device: emitter, base and collector. Now we will discuss about the emitter. The function of the emitter is to inject charge carriers. Charge carriers क्या होंगे? Electrons in case of NPN transistor and holes in case of PNP transistor. The function of the emitter is to inject charge carriers into the base. Since emitter has to supply the large number of charge carriers, so it is called heavily doped. Always emitter is heavily doped. Base is lightly doped, or collector is, the doping of the collector is in between emitter and the base. More is the doping, more will be the availability of charge carriers. तो हमने क्या पढ़ लिया? BJT is a current control device. BJT, the transistor, was invented by two scientists, William Shockley and John Bardeen, in Bell Laboratory in 1951. Transistor is a three-terminal device: emitter, base and collector. The operation of the transistor is carried by two types of charge carriers. First is majority charge carriers and second is the minority charge carriers. Why it is called transistor? Transistor transfer the input signal current from low resistance circuit to high resistance circuit. Transistor have three terminals: emitter, base and collector. Emitter, the function of the emitter is to inject the charge carriers into the base. Since emitter has to supply the large number of charge carriers, so it is heavily doped. The doping of the emitter is high, and in these three terminals the second number of doping is collector and base is lightly doped. More is the doping, more will be the availability of charge carriers. The second terminal of the transistor is base. It is the middle region of the transistor. The base is very thin and lightly doped region. In all these three terminals, emitter, base and collector, base is lightly doped. The function of the base is to transfer the charge carriers, majority charge carriers. In NPN transistor में charge carriers क्या होगा? Electrons. And in PNP transistor the charge carriers are holes. Majority charge carriers are holes. electrons holes onto the collector. The function of the base is to transfer the charge carriers onto the collector. The third terminal, collector. The doping of the collector is between the heavy doping of emitter and light doping of base. The function of the collector is to collect the charge carriers. The main important point about the physical size of the emitter, base and collector is the collector region is physically larger than the emitter. It means physically larger सबसे ज़्यादा कौन होगा, collector, then emitter, and base is very thin. These are the transistor symbol for NPN transistor and PNP transistor. Transistor is a 3-terminal device, emitter, base and collector, and the arrowhead indicates the direction of a conventional current flow in a transistor. The arrowhead indicates the direction of a conventional current flow in a transistor. In case of NPN transistor, the direction of conventional current is outside, and in case of PNP transistor, the direction of the conventional current is inside the transistor. NPN transistor is most widely used. We have two types of transistor, NPN and PNP, but we use NPN transistor mostly. In NPN transistor, current conduction is mainly due to the electrons. It means majority charge carriers in N regions are electrons. The current conduction is mainly due to the electrons. The electrons are more mobile than holes. The conduction is higher in NPN transistor than PNP transistor. We use in these two types of transistor, NPN and PNP, we use NPN transistor because in this transistor conduction current is mainly due to the electrons and the mobility of electrons is higher in comparison to holes. If a transistor is unbiased, it means there is no external power supply is given to the transistor. In unbiased transistor, the barrier potential for each of these two depletion layer is, barrier potential is 0.7 volt for silicon and 0.3 volt for germanium. Now we will discuss about the biasing of the transistor. As we discussed, transistor is a 3-terminal device, emitter, base and collector. Transistor is a 3-terminal device, emitter, base and collector. If this emitter and base junction is forward bias and collector and base junction is reverse bias, it means the transistor is in active region. It means transistor is in active region. And if the emitter and base junction is forward bias and collector and base junction is also forward bias, then the transistor is in saturation region. Forward bias means the N terminal is connected to negative and P terminal is connected to positive. Reverse bias means N terminal is connected to positive and P terminal is connected to negative. If both emitter base junction and collector base junction is forward bias, the transistor is in saturation region. And if the emitter base junction is reverse biased and collector base junction is also reverse biased, the transistor is in cutoff region. And if the emitter base junction is reverse bias and the collector base junction is forward bias, the transistor is in inverted region. The transistor is in inverted region. So in this lecture we will discuss about what is transistor. Transistor is a 3-terminal device, emitter, base and collector, and the doping of the emitter region is high, and in second number the doping doping is collector, and third number base. Size, the size of the collector is larger than the emitter, and we will in this lecture we will also